Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy pancakes. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter to bring it all together. A small pinch of salt will truly make the flavors sing. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently combine all of your wet ingredients. Then, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is moistened. Remember, a few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, and we want them light and airy. Time to cook. Heat your griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat, adding a little oil or butter. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm right off the griddle for the freshest taste. Drizzle with your favorite maple syrup, add some fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For an extra treat, try adding chocolate chips or blueberries directly into the batter next time. Enjoy your perfectly fluffy, homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.